This is Robert Harper with Virginia Farm Bureau's Grain Division, bringing you the Merchandiser Minute for Friday, March 29th, 2019. At the end of the week where we had very low trade volume up until today, as all the speculators and the hedgers waited for the acre and quarterly stocks report. And let's look at those numbers. USDA says planting intentions this year for corn, 92.7 million acres. That came in way above the trade expectations. Bean acres, 84.6 million expected this year. That came in way below the trade expectations. And the market really took this on the chin as we came into the week with the Commitment of Traders report showing speculators net short across the board. We were down 22 cents for the week on corn, down 20 cents for the week on beans, and down 9 cents for the week on wheat. Some of the things we also need to look at is it seems like Russia might be out of old crop wheat. We did get an Egyptian wheat sale this week that was very positive. We know right now we're competing very closely with Argentina and the Ukraine for old crop corn sales. That is hurting our demand a little bit when we look over the last 2 weeks' export sales reports. The trade talks ended this week. It was the 8th round in Beijing with, again, comments and rhetoric about talks were constructive. We didn't get any details, though, and we know that the Chinese at the highest level will be in Washington next week for the 9th round of trade talks. One thing to think about is do not give up on your marketing plan. That's easy to do after a week we've had this week where the speculators have decided to sell. Revisit those target prices that you've got and stick with that disciplined marketing plan that you have. Remember, the speculators are very short. They're going to be looking for any indication, anything bullish to get out of those contracts, and we're all going to be hoping for that short cover and rally. Remember, revisit those wish orders that you have, get new ones in, and work hard not to get behind in your sales. Next week, again, round 9 of trade talks in Washington, South American weather. We know Argentina is now about 12% harvested on corn, 2% on beans. Be looking at those numbers for next week. That will impact your price. African swine fever, we know those numbers are still coming in, and we're seeing a decrease in demand. Keep your eye on that, and just watch for that short cover and rally. Give us a call if we can help you. This is Robert at Farm Bureau's Grain Division.